Namaste, welcome to Babita's Easy Recipes. Friends, today I am sharing one easy recipe, that is veg chow mein. So in this video you can see how I am preparing a veg chow mein. So let's see the video. First we have to boil the water. Now add these noodles here. Little turmeric powder and half spoon oil. So like this, first we have to cook the noodles on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Like that we have to cook this. So now turn off the flame. Now the next step is we have to put this in a strainer. Now wash this with cold water. So now heat the kadai and put some oil. So once the oil is heated nicely, green chili, saute for a few seconds only. Now I am adding 2-3 garlic cloves. Adding capsicum. You can even add cabbage. And I am adding tomatoes. We have 2 tomatoes. Saute for 2 minutes. Now I am adding little salt. Salt as per taste you can add. Then chili powder, half teaspoon, and little turmeric powder because already I have used turmeric powder. I am adding little pepper. Now I am adding vinegar, 1 spoon. soya sauce, half teaspoon like that. You can even use tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is optional. If you want, you can add. So I am using here chili tomato sauce, 1 spoon. Now adding boiled noodles. With the help of 2 spoons, you have to mix everything. Like this, you have to mix it. So cook it for 2 minutes more. When you are adding the masala and all, vinegar and soya sauce, that time keep the flame on low heat, means you have to keep it. Now I am adding coriander leaves. And mix it. So this chowmein is ready. You can even add some more vegetables like French beans, you can add cabbage and carrot also. So friends, you can see this chowmein is ready. If you want to make non-veg chowmein, you can add chicken or mutton also here. So as you can see how it is easy to prepare veg chowmein. So I hope you will like this recipe. Do try this recipe, and thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe.